Hi, Monette.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon sa lahat.
Opo, ano pong may
Hi.
paglilingkod namin?
Yeah, sorry para kay Yusek Akdak. Just a brief background lang Yung sister po namatay sa Saudi last December 16.
Mhm.
And of course, naghingi kami ng computation ng kanyang ESB, and we were told by the company that she was working with na-endorse niya yung check-in yan sa MWO ATN natin sa Jeddah yung January 31 pa. So we were asking sana kung mapa-fast track na maibigay na sa daughter niya yung benefits niya, kasi yung daughter niya, my sister is a single mom.
Opo.
And ang daughter niya is physically handicapped, but she's studying, so she needs a benefit for her
Opo.
her education.
Mhm.
So yung pinaka-latest sa communication with MWO, nagko-coordinate din naman ako through email. They were saying na they're still waiting for guidelines daw on how to transfer the funds, and they're still waiting for the account, kung yung Philippine account, kung saan ita-transfer yung fund. So yung worry lang namin, kasi it's been December pa, January pa yun na-endorse, it's been about 2 months na, and we are a bit, sana kung ma-facilitate soonest, it would be a big help sana sa family.
Yusek
Yun lang
Akdak,
naman.
ano po ang pwede nating assistance na maibigay po sa pamangkin po ni Monette?
Okay. Unang-una, aalamin natin yung detalye on the ground, yung kumpanya, pangalan ng kumpanya. Sorry, na-miss ko lang. Una, pakikisa at pakikiramay po namin. Pero nandoon pa ho ba yung inyong pamangkin?
Yeah, actually, I'd like to also thank the MWO because they were very helpful in the transport and in assisting the transport. Nailibig na po yung sister namin nung February 7 pa. So actually, it arrived at around mga early February to the help din ng MWO. So nailibig na po. Yung company niya in Jeddah is the United Doctors Hospital po.
Okay, so we just need to talk to the company tungkol dun sa pag-release ng kanyang, tama ho ba yung end of service benefit?
Sir, yung end of service benefit, according to the company, na-endorse na nila yung cheque sa MWO ATN natin.
Okay, so padadala na lang namin yung cheque sa inyo.
Yes. Yun na lang po
Okay,
yung
we'll do that.
Opo.
Okay.
Yusek, if it's okay, we'll send you, Susan,
Yes.
kunin natin yung buong detalye at i-text, i-message na lang po namin sa inyo, Yusek.
Yes, and kunin ko na rin ho yung number ni
Opo.
ma'am.
Opo, we will do
and
that.
we will communicate accordingly. Opo.
Alright.
We'll help po. Tutulong, mabulig po kami, ma'am, taga Negros. Kasi Manwa, kababayan.
Kababayan. Ayan po.
Okay.
Ayan, Miss
Sige po.
Monette, wag po kayong mag-alala. We will endorse you. Ipapadala po namin yung contact details nyo po kay Yusek Akdak at siya na po ang makikipag-coordinate po sa inyo ang kanyang team.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome po.
Okay.